Hi all, I hope you all doing well and having a great week. So in today's video, we are going to be having a quick Q&A session since I've been getting a lot of messages on my Twitter asking me all sorts of questions around trading. So I thought, you know what, let me put a quick video together and answer those questions. Okay, right, let's get into the video, and I hope you guys will find lots of value in this video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get into it. How to start trading? Can you give me guidance? Right, you have to think about it, right? Do you really want to get into trading, and the reasons why are you doing this? Because trading is not easy as it looks. Trading is not just about Lambos and luxurious life. At the very first stage, the beginning of your trading journey, you are going to struggle a lot, and there will be a lot of hurdles that you're going to have to overcome. So it's not easy. This is what I'm going to have to start with saying. But if you like to get some guidance, I'm more than happy to obviously give you some tips on where to get started or how to get started. So I would say go to Baby Pips. It's the Baby Pips is a website where you can learn pretty much almost everything about trading, starting with like obviously different currency pairs, different time zones, you know, like learning about trends and how the market moves. So once you go through all of Baby Pips material, then you can start looking at the charts, download TradingView and start looking at the charts, start looking at the pair that you are interested in trading. Get to know the pair, how it moves and what time, and yeah. Also, you can open a demo account with the FTMO or I think Alpha Capital, and you can start practicing for your challenges. So yeah, like I said, there's plenty material on how to get started on the YouTube as well, and you can read trading related books as well, which is so many of them on Amazon. You can get it easily, and yeah, I hope that helps and answers your question. Right guys, so next question is, do you trade discretionary or mechanical rule-based system? So I would say yes and no, because there's a lot of things that have to come together for me to enter into a trade. So mainly is obviously price action, and I have to see the market structure, how the market is moving. The timing as well is very important to me, as you know, like to see what is going on at what time, because a lot of liquidity sweeps happening at a certain time. Normally I look at the daily highs and daily lows. I try to catch the move of the day. Yeah, so there's a lot of things that have to actually come together for me to enter the trade. So I could see something and I could have a good feeling about it and say that, you know what, I like the way this is moving, then I'm gonna enter. So that would be like discretionary, I presume. And mechanical is where, you know, like it's more rule based. So it's all really dependent. Right, a couple more questions here we have. So can someone lose on the first phase, then what will happen? So I presume you're asking what will happen if you obviously fail phase one during the challenge. So let me assure you, you are not going to own any sort of money, you know, for the company. It's just that you lost your initial investment in obviously what you spent in buying that challenge. You're not gonna get the refund anymore, so basically the money is gone. So all you can do is to learn from your mistakes, move on, and yeah, just retry again. But if you was thinking that maybe you're gonna be owning any money to the company or wherever, no, let me assure you, it's just your initial investment that is actually gone. Some obviously funded companies, they offer you a discount on the retry, so that would might work for you. So yeah. All right, next question is, have you ever shared your strategy or willing to? Yeah, I can obviously share my strategy on my YouTube channel, and then I can go through the charts with you guys and show you how I trade and how I'm entering. So my strategy is very simple, you know, like I mentioned, I look at the market structure and how the market is playing out, price action, you know, like liquidity sweeps. the daily highs, daily lows. That's what I do when I'm looking at the charts, and this is how I trade. But yeah, I'll do a video one day, you know, on placing the trades live. And then I think in some previous videos I show how I enter it, and yeah, how I look at the charts. So I hope this helps. Okay guys, so we have one more question here. Let me read this to you. With everyone saying key to trading success is to stick to one approach, and then also hearing that to achieve long-term success, traders must also adapt to market conditions. How do they navigate this? What do some adaptations look like, and does it involve changing the strategy? Okay, so when we're talking about the market conditions, there are days that obviously market is ranging, or you know, like consolidating. So it's up to you wherever you want to be trading in these kind of conditions, or you actually going to be waiting for your setup when market is trending. Some people prefer to trade obviously when the market is ranging. Some people, they want to trade when the market is trending. Right, so now is down to you to be able to adapt to these market conditions, right? In terms of your strategy, if you need to change something, the best way for you to find out is by journaling. So once you collect all the data from your journaling, you can look at obviously your trades that you have taken. What time have you obviously taken those trades? Were they winners? Were they losers? And look at your comments. Why were they winners? Why were they losing? And then, you know, like filter those trades, you know, like your best trades. And from all this data, you can see that this is the days what works for me. And then ask yourself, why is it actually working for you? For example, for me, from my data and the way I trade and the way I understand the market, Wednesday for me is a no trading day. You know, I don't trade Wednesday, because market can be very choppy. It can be consolidating, you know, like, and especially market is choppy before any big news event. So these are type of market conditions that we need to be able to adapt as a traders. Okay guys, next question is, how long have you been trading? How long it took you to pass first funded account? So I have been studying stocks and shares in 2017, as I wanted to be investing in stocks, but I didn't know about Forex. So I didn't find out about Forex until 2023 in February. So it's been over a year now since I've been trading Forex overall. But in 2023 February, I did so much work, you know, like those months. And even until now, I'm still purely studying non-stop. You know, whenever I have a free moment, I'm always on the podcast, watching the podcast, listening to the podcast, or reading a book. So yeah, it has been over a year since I've been trading Forex. And yeah, every day is a new day. You learn something new, you know, and you continue growing. So I never stopped, to be honest. I hope that answers your question. And I think the other one was how long it took you to pass your first funded account. So with the funded accounts, it was very interesting. I've seen like a shift with like 2 months of actually me studying the Forex markets. I start, you know, like passing the phase 1s and passing phase 2s. But I didn't get paid out not until August 2023. So my first payment was in August 2023. I think it's like 6 months down since I started studying Forex from February. Yeah, so I think 6 months since I've got the first payout on my 10k account from funding pips. Okay guys, so we are on to our last question, so which is what is your risk management to pass the challenge? Right, so I do trade pretty much aggressive, if you want to call that. I would place my trade and I would risk about 2% initially to get started, and then it's all depending wherever that trade is going to play out and it's gonna become a winner. Then in that case I would just stick to the 2% or 1%. But if that trade does not play out, then I would obviously reduce my risk to 1% or 0.5%. But again, I like to be creative and when I'm trading, so depends what I see on the market and how the market is playing up, how the trade is playing up. Normally I add a position in size once the market structure has been created to obviously maximize my profits and to pass the challenges. So yeah guys, this is it for the Q&A, and I really hope you enjoyed this video and find the value in this video, and I see you in the next video.